Good morning, dear children. Now, today we are going to see the textbook questions, what the answers will be of the chapter Valley of Flowers. Here, children, you just keep in your mind that there are these questions which are mostly based on your views and your experiences. So, first, you are going to write on your experiences the answers with the pencil. After that, you can go for this video to check what the answer is of your views and what other answers can be of the people of different views. So that way we are going to do this chapter today, Valley of Flowers. It is on your page number 84. Now close your eyes and imagine that you have reached such a place. How does it feel? Which songs do you feel like singing? I feel very nice. Here is a song which I would like to sing. Well, flowers come in green and pink and red, and they sleep all day in their little flower beds. But the little dandelion grows wild and free with her uncles and her cousins and the whole family. Have you ever seen so many flowers growing together? Anywhere? Where? Yes, I saw so many flowers growing together. I saw so many flowers growing together. I saw them in the garden of my school. How many different colored flowers have you seen? I have seen flowers of several colors. Now, you were just left counting, weren't you? Yes, but it is not possible to count the flowers in a garden as they are countless. And the colors, the question number 4 is write their colors. They are red, yellow, black, blue, pink, white. Are there any things in your house which have designs of flowers made on them, like clothes, sheets, vases, etc.? Yes, there are several things in my house that have designs of flowers. These are my book cover, bed sheet, pillow cover, etc. Draw your own design in your notebook and color it as well. So this you can do when I'll ask you in your notebook to be done. Here is this. Look at the designs made by your friends as well. The design made by my friend. Here are some pictures of flowers. This is on page number 86, children, of your textbook. Mark a tick on the flower which you recognize. Write their names too if you know. From the pictures given above and other flowers that you know, give names of 2 flowers which grow on trees, grow on bushes, grow on creepers, grow on water plants, bloom only at night, bloom in the day and close at night, which you can recognize by their scent even with your eyes closed, which bloom all the year round. So here are the answers also, children. Grow on trees, gulmohar, kadam. Grow on bushes, rose, hibiscus. Grow on creepers, champa, snow white. Grow on water plants, lotus, water lily. Bloom only at night, jasmine, night queen. Bloom in the day and close at night, sunflower, Raat ki Rani, lotus. which you can recognize by their smell, scent, even with your eyes closed. That is rose and jasmine. Which bloom all the year round is rose and kumudini. Which flower bloom only in certain month? It is marigold and tulip. Are there any trees or plants which never have any flowers? Find out and write. Money plant, conifers. Why this? Have you ever seen a board like this? Put up anywhere. Do not pluck flowers. This is on your page number 87 in your textbook. Yes, I have seen this type of board in the gardens and the public parks. Do people pluck flowers even when this board is there? No, usually people do not pluck flowers if this type of board is there. Why do you think they do this? Some people obey the rules while some do not. Should they do this? Yes, they should obey the rules. What would happen if everybody plucked flowers? There would be no flowers to make the world of gardens and parks beautiful. Now NCERT book page is 88. Let us look closely. Children who can bring flowers may bring 1 or 2 flowers to class. Remember that you must collect only fallen flowers. Do not pluck any flower. Make groups of 3 or 4 children and look at one flower carefully. What is the color of the flower? Red. What kind of a scent does it have? It has a lovely scent. What does it look like? A bell, a bowl, a brush or anything else? It has a bowl shape. Do these flowers grow in bunches? No, usually they do not grow in bunches. How many petals does it have? About 40 to 100. Are all the petals joined together or separate? Petals are separate. Outside the petals, can you see any green leafy structure? How many are there? Yes, they are 4. Inside the petals, in the middle of the flower, can you see some thin structures? Write its color. Yes, the color of this structure is pink, red. When you touch these, do you find a powdery thing on your hands? Yes. Next is our NCERT page number 89. Blooming buds. What differences do you find between a flower and a bud? A flower is bigger than a bud. A bud shape is pointed and smaller in size, while a flower is larger and open. Draw the picture of a bud and its flower in your notebook. So this also when I'll give you for the notebook work, then you will do. Can you tell how many days will a bud take to bloom into a flower? Let us try and find out. Choose a bud that is growing on a plant and look at it every day. Write the name of the plant. It takes about 4 to 5 days. This was a rose plant. When you first saw this bud, the date was, now when the bud has bloomed into a flower, the date is, so here you will write your own date, whatever you have observed, and also the name of the flower which you are observing. How many days did the bud take to become a flower? That also you will write by your experience. Ask your friends the name. Ask your friends the names of the different flowers that they have seen. How much time did it take their buds to become flowers? China rose takes about 7 days. Sunflower takes about 7 to 8 days. Also observe how many days the same flower took to dry. Sunflower takes about 30 to 40 days to become dry, and China rose takes about 30 days to become dry. NCERT page number 19. Flowers are even eaten. Are flowers cooked in your home as a dry vegetable, a gravy dish, or as a chutney? Yes, flowers of some plants are cooked as a dry vegetable, a gravy dish, or as chutney. Find out which flower are used for this. Flowers of banana, sahjan, kachnar, etc. are used as vegetables and gravy. Flowers of shefalica is used to make chutney. Flowers in medicines. Can you name any two flowers which are used in medicines? Rose and cedar are used in medicines. How is rose water used in your house? Rose water is used as a medicine. It is also used to mix with sweets and lassi colors from flowers. Find out and write the name of some more flowers that are used to make colors. Rose and China rose are used to make colors. Can you think of any such color of which there is no flower? I think there are no flowers which have silver and grey color. Write the names of such flowers which are used to make scents. Rose, jasmine, and many other flowers are used to make scents. Here is, have you ever read or heard any song about flower? Let us sing this song. It is in your book, children. Hope you will learn and you will enjoy learning this. अच्छी मालन मेरे बनने का बना ला सहरा, बागे जन्नत गई मालन मेरी फूलों के लिए, फूल न मिले तो कलियों का बना ला सहरा. Good gardener, make for my banna a garland of flowers. She went looking for flowers in the garden in heaven. Make a garland of flower buds if there are no flowers. And yes, you can talk about this also. Do you know when such songs are sung? Such songs are sung on the occasions of marriage. Do you or anybody else at home know other such songs? Yes, you can ask your family members and you have to collect some songs or poems if you can to enjoy this chapter. Okay? Are any special flowers used on certain occasions by your elders? Make a list of different occasions and the flowers used. Friendship Day, birthday, marriage anniversary, Valentine Day, cemeteries, religious ceremony. And here is the name of the flower which is used. Then we have page number 93. Here, have you ever seen anyone selling flowers anywhere? If there are any flower seller nearby, ask them these questions and write. What are the different flowers that they sell? Ask them the names of 3 flowers. They sell rose, jasmine and dahlia. Where do they bring these flowers from? They bring these flowers from gardens and horticulture farms. Why do people buy flowers? People buy flowers for decoration, worship and to gift them. In what forms do flower sellers sell their flowers? Tick mark the box below. This is in your book, children, so you can do accordingly. Any other form that you have seen? Yes, in the form of gajra. Find out the price of these different forms. This is your activity sort of question. If you wish, like, if you get the access, you can do. Has the flower seller learned to make bouquet or garland of flower from anybody? From whom? Generally, they learn to make bouquet or garland of flower from their elders. Would they like the other member of their family to do this work. Why? Yes, they would like the other member of their family to do this work because this work also provides good income. So this is how our chapter is, and this is the all questions as well as the answers which are asked in the textbook. So please go for it.